this is Jo from Maths Tutor Me. Today we're doing geometry and we've come to the end of our topic on geometry. So I have some revision questions for you today. So this is just a question here or there from each of the lessons that we've done on geometry, just to practice to make sure that you can remember what we've learnt. So you could do this as a little quiz if you like. You could pause the video, attempt each of the questions, and then go through the answers with me to see if you've got them all right. Or you could work through them together with me now. Okay, so let's have a look at question number 1. Use letters to name the angle below. Okay, so that's just using these letters, the D, the O, and the Q, to label the angle. That would be angle DOQ. The O has to be in the center because that's the vertex of the angle, but you could also have had angle QOD. Either one of those would be correct. For question 2, name the type of angle based on size shown in question 1. So this angle here, it's 120 degrees. It's bigger than 90 degrees. It's not as big as the straight angle. So that is called an obtuse angle. Question 3, find the value of the pronumeral in each of the following. To find the value of m, we've got two angles, but they're two angles that go all the way around this point. So it's angles at a point that we're going to use, and those angles have to add to give 360 degrees. So if I want to find m, I'll start with 360 and subtract off the 140 that I've been given. So 360 take away 140 means that that angle is 220 degrees. For B, I want to find the value of n. Now I have to collect them up. N plus n is 2n. And now this is a four-sided shape. This is a quadrilateral. And that means that it has an angle sum of 360. And then I can take away the two angles that I've been given, which are both 146. So 360, take away 146, take away 146. Is equal to 68 degrees. Now, to find n by itself, I'm going to have to divide by 2. Okay, 68 divided by 2 is 34 degrees. For C, we have a triangle, but one of the sides has been extended out. This would be an exterior angle of the triangle, which means that these two interior ones add to give the exterior. So P plus 59 is equal to 118. So to find P, I'm going to subtract the 59 away. So 118 minus 59 is 59. For D, we have parallel lines. So that angle and that angle are forming an F shape, which we call corresponding angles, and they are equal. W is equal to 71 degrees. And when we were practicing, we wrote down reasons. You weren't asked for reasons in this question, but I'm just writing it there because that's what we were practicing earlier. On the next page, for part E here, we want to find the value of x. We have a quadrilateral that has parallel sides. So we can use the parallel sides to recognize that those are co-interior angles forming a C shape there. So that means that co-interior angles add to give 180. So x would be equal to 180 minus 109 degrees. Okay, so 180 minus 109 is 71 degrees. F, we have a straight line that's broken into 3 angles. That straight line means that these angles are supplementary and they add to give 180. So y will be equal to 180 minus the 47 minus the 84. 180 minus 47 minus 84 means that y is equal to 49 degrees. G, two straight lines crossing over, means that the angles across from each other are equal because they're called vertically opposite angles. So that means that 2Z is equal to 136 degrees. And to find out what Z is, I divide by 2. Z is equal to 136 divided by 2, which is 68 degrees, called vertically opposite angles. And for H, we're back to a four-sided shape here. We have all three angles here. We want to find the fourth one. So we can use the angle sum of a quadrilateral, which is 360 degrees. Take away the 75, the 90, and the 112 to get our answer. A is equal to 83 degrees. Okay, that's the end of my revision questions. If you still feel like a challenge, join me next time for some challenge questions. Bye.